This video demonstrates how to replace a Graco RTX 1400 and 2000 Rotoflex hose. These are the tools that you will need. Push the on-off switch to the off position and wait 7 seconds for power to dissipate. Unplug the sprayer. For an RTX 1400, relieve pressure by triggering the gun into the material hopper, and then open the air control valve. For RTX 2000 and 2500 units, relieve pressure by opening the gun prime valve. Remove the material hose. Remove the material hopper. Using a 3/8" nut driver, loosen the bolt and rotate the access panel up and out of the way. Remove the pump securing knob. Lift up the pump securing plate and remove it from the sprayer. Slide the Rotoflex hose to the left. Squeeze the pump hose together and remove it from the front frame of the sprayer. Install the new hose around the pump rollers and attach the hose to the front frame of the sprayer. Attach the pump securing plate with the pump securing knob. Rotate the access door down and secure it with a 3/8" bolt. Test the sprayer for proper operation.